In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the VLC error log location on Windows, step by step. This is extremely useful if VLC is crashing, not playing certain files, having audio or video issues, or throwing random errors, and you want detailed information to troubleshoot the problem. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enable logging in VLC, where the log file is saved, and how to read it. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your Windows PC. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. By default, VLC opens in Simple Settings mode, which doesn't show the logging options we need. So before doing anything else, look at the bottom left corner of the Preferences window and change Show Settings from Simple to All. This is very important. Otherwise, you won't see the Advanced Logging menu. After switching to All settings, look at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find the Advanced section, then click on Logger. This is where VLC's error logging options are located. On the right side, you'll now see several logging settings. First, find the option called Log to File and make sure it is enabled. This tells VLC to actually save error messages, instead of just displaying them temporarily. Next, look for Log File Name. This is where you choose the exact location of the VLC error log file on your Windows system. You can click Browse and select a location that's easy to access, such as your desktop or Documents folder. For example, you might name the file vlc-log.txt, so it's easy to recognize later. Choosing a custom location is helpful because VLC does not always save logs in an obvious default folder. After that, find the verbosity setting. Set the verbosity level to 2, which is debug. This level provides detailed error information without being overly cluttered. Higher levels can be overwhelming, especially if you're just trying to diagnose playback or codec issues. Once these settings are configured, click Save at the bottom of the Preferences window. Now, this next step is important and often missed. You must completely close VLC Media Player and then reopen it. VLC only starts logging errors after a restart, so if you skip this step, no log file will be created. After restarting VLC, try to reproduce the issue you're experiencing. For example, play the video that's causing problems, load the stream that fails, or perform the action that triggers the error. While this happens, VLC will write detailed information into the log file you specified earlier. Now, to find the VLC error log location on Windows, simply navigate to the folder you selected for the log file name. If you chose the desktop, you'll see the log file there. Open it using Notepad or any text editor. Inside the file, you'll see timestamps, error messages, warnings, and debug information that can help you understand exactly what VLC is doing and why something is failing. These logs are especially useful when asking for help on forums, reporting bugs, or troubleshooting advanced playback problems. You can copy and share relevant parts of a log with support communities or developers if needed. And that's it. You now know how to enable VLC logging and find the VLC error log location on Windows. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.